Hello and good afternoon, everyone. I'm gonna introduce myself first to all of you. So, my name is Sheena Quito, and I'm gonna be your teacher for today. And for this lesson, I will teach you the binomial theorem. So, I'm gonna teach you the what is binomial, the Pascal triangle, expanding the binomial theorem, and finding the exact term. So I have this quotation from James Hilton, and I believe that the binomial theorem and Batch-Fugue are on the long run more important than all battles of history. So let's proceed to our topic. First is binomial. What is binomial? Binomial is a polynomial with two terms. For example, a plus b. Anything that has two terms like 1 plus 2, like that. X plus 1 raised to 1, x plus 2 raised squared, like that. Next. So, punta na tayo sa pag-evaluate ng binomial expansion. Sa pag-evaluate ng binomial expansion, kailangan natin i-multiply ang binomial by itself kung meron tayong given na x plus y raised to 0. Hindi na natin siya kailangan i-expand kasi x plus y raised to 0 is just 1. Pero kung meron kang x plus 2 like this one, that twice natin siyang i-multiply. So, meron kang x plus y times x plus y. Kapag finoil mo to or minultiply mo sila x and x to y, and y to x, and y to y, you'll get x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. So, ito yung expansion ng x plus 2 squared. So, example naman kapag x plus y raised to 4. So, ang gagawin lang din x plus y raised to 3, sorry. Typo lang. So, tatlong beses mo siyang i-multiply by itself or i-distribute mo si cube sa x plus y. So, you'll have x cube plus 3x cube y plus 3x y cube plus y cube. Paano naman halimbawa kung ang x plus y is raised to 200? Or let's just say, raise natin siya sa fifth power. Now, to expand x plus y raised to 200, it will take you forever to expand x plus y kasi you need to multiply them by itself 200 times. So, ngayon, kailangan natin gumamit ng ibang paraan kung paano i-expand or evaluate the binomial without multiplying by itself. Yun yung tinatawag na binomial expansion using Pascal triangle. So, gagamitin natin siya ng Pascal triangle. So, ano nga ba ang Pascal triangle? Pascal triangle is a triangular array of numbers in which those at the ends of the rows are 1 and each of the other is the sum of the nearest two numbers in the row above. Itong mga Pascal triangle, let me show you. These are the Pascal triangle. Itong Pascal triangle o mga value sa Pascal triangle, ito ang gagamitin natin gagamitin natin coefficient sa ating binomial expansion. So, kunwari yung first level is 1. So, ang ano niyan is a plus b raised to 0. So, alam naman natin kapag ni-raise to 0 is equals to 1. Lahat ng i-raise mo sa 0 is equals to 1. So, ito yung pattern na lagi nating ginagamit at gagamitin kapag nag-e-expand tayo. So, habang lumalawak o humahaba ang pyramid nyo or Pascal triangle, dumadami naman ang coefficient depende dun sa exponent ng inyong binomial. For example, x plus b raised to 5. So, ang pattern yan is dito siya sa level. Hanapin natin yung level 5. So, this is the level 5. Kasi 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, ito yung gagamitin nating level sa Pascal triangle. So, 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. Nakuha nyo to kasi 1 plus 4 equals 5, 4 plus 6 equals 10, 6 plus 4 equals 10, 4 plus 1 equals 5. Ang gagamitin natin sa pag-expand ng binomial para we don't need to multiply by itself. So, next. So, here are the steps or method on how to expand a binomial using Pascal triangle. So, step 1. So, ang unang step sa gagamitin ng Pascal triangle is you need the first term, the second term as a factor of each other. Then, kailangan mong gumawa base sa exponent and need mo din mag-plus 1 dun sa exponent. So, second step is paglalagay natin ng exponent. Ang gagamitin na exponent is depende sa highest exponent na meron ka. So, kumbaga, highest to 0 sa first term muna ilalagay. Gets? So, step 3. So, sa third step is paglalagay din ng exponent. Pero sa second step naman, term naman, at ang paglalagay nito is 0 to highest exponent na given. So, step 4 is simplify lang natin lahat. After simplifying, we will go now sa last step, or which is the step 5. Kasi need pa natin i-apply si Pascal triangle. At sa Pascal triangle, we need to look again sa ating exponent at kung anong number yon bibilangin natin. Kung anong level yon bibilangin natin sa Pascal triangle. Yung buong row niya, sa ating, dun natin siya ilalagay sa equation natin. And the next is, you need to simplify it. So, I have this given example. X plus 2 raised to 4. So, step 1, we need first term and second term as a factor. So, gagawin natin ano natin siya ng 5 times kasi nga si 4 pa-plus pa natin sa 1. So, fifth term. So, merong 5x times 2. Okay? So step 2 is to put the exponent in the first term, pero highest to lowest. So x raised to 4 times 2 plus x raised to x cubed times 2 plus x squared times 2 plus x raised to 1 times 2 plus x raised to 0 times 2. So, the next step is maglalagay din ng exponent, pero sa second term naman at 0 to highest exponent na given. So, 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 squared, 2 cubed, and 2 raised to 4. And next, so sa step 4, simplify lang natin siya lahat. And step 5, hanapin natin yung level niya. So, di ba ang exponent natin is 4. So, hanapin natin yung level 4. And kung ano lahat ng nasa row niya, yun yung ilalagay natin. I-multiply lang natin sa kanila. So, simplify lang ulit. So, makakakuha tayo ng x raised to 4 plus x cubed, 8x cubed plus 24x squared plus 32 and plus 16. So, next example is 2x minus 3 cubed. So, ganun lang ulit. 3 plus 1 is 4. So, 4 terms. So, 4 times natin siyang if 4 times natin ang i-multiply ang first term and second term sa isa't isa. So, step 2 is you need to put the exponent sa first term, highest to 0. So, sa third term naman is, sa third step naman is putting exponent on the second term, 0 to highest exponent na given. So, step 4, you just need to simplify. Step 5, we need to find the third level kasi ang exponent natin is 3. So, hanapin natin sa third level and lahat ng nasa row na yon is i-distribute lang natin sa kanila times. So, makakuha tayo ng x cubed 8. Let's proceed in the formula. So, this is our formula. This one. Okay? And the given is this one. So, let's find the given terms muna. So, n is the exponent. So, it will be 10. And the k is the term. So, 4. So, substitute lang to. 10 factorial. And 10 minus 4 plus 1 factorial, 4 minus 1 factorial, tapos yung x natin is x din. So, 10 minus 4 plus 1. Then, sa y naman, 4 minus 1. So, simplify lang natin. 10 factorial, 10 minus 4, 6, plus 1, 7 factorial, 4 minus 1, 3 factorial. So, sa x naman, raised to 7 and y is raised is cube. So, let's simplify it. So, 10 factorial over 7 factorial and 3 factorial will be 120 x raised to 7 y cubed. So, this is our answer. Ganun lang siya, kadali. Sundan lang natin yung formula. So, hello guys. So, paano kapag tinanong sa atin is ganito? Find the term involving x raised to 9 in the expansion. So, tas ang given natin is x minus 2y raised to 16. So, ang nawawala kasi natin, so, diba, given natin is si n, and the n is the exponent, so 16, and the k will be the term. Wala tayong given term. So, hanapin muna natin si given term. So, ganito hanapin si term. So, diba, meron tayong x, then 16 minus k plus 1. So, magiging 17. Transpose natin si x. So, magiging 17 minus k equals x. So, transpose ulit natin substitute natin dito si 9. So, 9 minus 17, this will be 8. Positive, k positive. So, nakuha na natin si k. So, pwede na tayo mag-proceed ulit dito sa formula na ito. Okay? So, let's substitute. So, ang n natin is 16 factorial. 16 minus 8 plus 1 factorial. 8 minus 1 factorial x, kasi x ang given lang dito sa x niya. So, 16 minus 8 plus 1. Tapos, si y naman is negative 2y. 8 minus 1. So, simplify natin. 16. So, 16 minus 8 is 8 plus 1 is 9 factorial. 8 minus 1 is 7 factorial. So, ganun din dito. 9 lang. And negative 2y raised to 7. So, let's simplify it again. So, magiging 11,440 x raised to 9. Tapos ito magiging negative 128 y raised to 7. So, ganun lang siya kasimple. Kapag nawawala lang si k, ito lang yung gagamitin na formula. And proceed dun sa pinaka-formula natin.